Hello there and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this full guide, we will show you how to make your list private in X using your Android device. Privacy is important, especially when it comes to personal information. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Look for the small circular icon that represents your profile picture. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Scroll through the options or tabs within your profile settings until you find the option labeled Lists. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Create a new list, or select an existing one that you want to make private. Enter the necessary information or items in the list. Step 5. Locate the option to edit the list and tap on it. This will allow you to make changes to the list, including adjusting its privacy settings. Step 6. Within the editing options, find the toggle or switch that enables the private mode for your list. Activate it to ensure your list is only visible to you. Step 7. Once you have set the list to private, tap on Save to apply the changes and secure your list. And there you have it. You have successfully made your list private in X. Now, you can have peace of mind knowing that your information is protected. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. Thank you for watching.